Okay, this is data about us, summary notes for 3.1, estimating cereal serving sizes, determining the IQR. The first important vocabulary word is quartiles, which are 3 points that divide an ordered set of data into four equal parts, with each group containing 1/4 or 25% of the data value. The median, we already know, is the midpoint of the data, and that is known as Q2. We have something called the lower quartile, or Q1, which is the median of the lower half. The upper quartile, or Q3, is the median of the upper half. Did I say the lower quartile is the median of the lower half? Upper quartile is the median of the upper half. And then the interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. So it's Q3 minus Q1. So when we are finding this information, again, our step one is to put our data in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to do that with this data set. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9. So now my first is to find the middle of my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data. So it's going to be between the fifth and sixth piece of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is right in between. And my value in between 3 and 5 is 4. And again, this is my median, or Q2. Step 2 is to find the median of my lower half. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So it'll be right on this number here, my third position, which has a value of 2, and this is Q1. Now we do the same thing for my upper half. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of data. 3 up is that. That has a value of 8, and that is Q3. Finally, the interquartile range is the difference between Q3, which is 8, and Q1, which is 2. So my interquartile range is 6. And in later investigations, we're going to go over what that represents. We're just learning today how to do it. So down here, we're going to do this again on the U try. First thing, put everything in order from least to greatest. Pause if you'd like. Okay, here it is from least to greatest. 2, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 12, 14, and 15. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of data. So that means 9 plus 1 is 10, divided by 2 would be my fifth piece of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my median. So 10, and that is Q2. Now these four numbers, okay, are my lower half, and halfway through is right here. 6 and 7, that would be 6.5. That is Q1. I like to put these lines because later on we're going to be going into something called the box and whisker, and this is needed for that. So then now my upper 4 is right here. Okay, and halfway between 12 and 14 is 13, and that is my Q3. So Q1, 6.5, Q2, 10, Q3, 13. My IQR is going to be 13 minus 6.5, which is also 6.5. Okay, so again, that's how you find the interquartile range, which eventually we will use further on.